Hey guys, it's me Declan here, and today I'm going to be opening the Tapu KoKo Pin collection. It's Pokemon. Okay, so let's open this. Can do 3 packs and like a pin, and yeah. English Tapu. I'm just opening the box. Be aware. Skip ahead if you want to. Here we are. Comes with a special promo code. Yesterday I forgot to say Merry Christmas. But for most of you, Christmas is today. Look at this. Cool. Put that aside here. Here's the code for someone. Got the 3 packs. And let me get this out. The special promo code. You see that little star? That means it's a promo. Okay. So, which pack should we start with? Steam Siege? Okay. Let's open the Steam Siege pack. So, Steam Siege. Okay. Ooh! Guys! Think we got something. A break. Cool. That's cool. Here's the code. Here's the code for someone who gets that. Okay. Next pack. It's Sun and Moon Guardians Rising. So, we open this up, and let's see what cards we get. Any specials? Oh my god. Guys, look what we got. Toxapex GX. And that's, I forgot what it's called. It's like one of those special GXs. That is cool. Code. Okay, time for the final pack. We just had some good luck opening this, haven't we, guys? This is gonna be good. Skip ahead if wanted. Here we are. Final pack. Will we get a good card? Pretty sure we just got some normals. Yeah, just some normals. Guys, here's the code. Well, guys, that's been it. Hope you all have enjoyed. Got some good cards. And bye!